Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to browse Tumblr without an account. So let's get started. The process is simple. Open your web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to tumblr.com. You will land on the Tumblr homepage. Even without an account, you can start exploring content right away. Scroll through the dashboard, check out trending posts, and explore tags and topics that interest you. Click on blogs or individual posts to view content in detail. Enjoy the vast array of creative works that Tumblr has to offer, from art and photography to writing and more. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zoft. Zoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zoft today. For more details, check the description box.